Hi friends. Today we are going to learn how we can check a refrigerator compressor. We need a 3-core power cable. Cut the sleeve from here. Do as I am doing. Do separate all the 3 colored wire from each other. Cut the green wire which is coming from the plug. Remove the sleeve of the red wire from the center. Twist the copper wire. Cut the green wire at this length. Now we have 2 wires, red and green. We will connect these 2 wires to a hanging doorbell switch. Leave the black wire as you are seeing. Remove the sleeve from here. We are going to connect the lugs at the end of these 3 wires. Now we are going to identify the 3 terminals of the compressor. Put your multimeter on the range of ohms. Note down all the readings of the terminals. 107 ohms, 44 ohms, 142 ohms. Look on a terminal which is opposite of the highest ohms terminals. You can consider it as terminal C. Now put your probe on the C. Put second probe on the remaining terminals. The terminal which is showing second highest ohms, you can consider it as terminal S. And remaining third terminal, which is showing lowest ohms, it is terminal R. We should repeat all the measurements. Common, starting, running terminals. Now we are going to start the compressor without any starting relay and overload protector. Connect the black wire on the common terminal, the green wire on the starting terminal and the red wire on the running terminal. Attach the clip of an ampere meter on the black wire. Switch on the main power supply. Suddenly we will give a single torque of power to the starting terminal with the help of a doorbell switch. It is taking 0.8 amperes and it is very normal. This is the discharge line, and we are connecting the pressure gauge to this line and will measure the pressure of the compressor. The needle of the pressure gauge is running to the 500-pound end. It means this compressor is pumping properly. Immediately switch off the compressor.
If you like my videos, please press the like button, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Thanks for watching.